Hello friends, welcome to Ayushman. Friends, today's topic is Dinacharya. What is meant by Dinacharya? Dinacharya is nothing but course of actions what we do in a day, starting from the waking up in the morning till we go to the bed in the night. For example, brushing, bathing, and eating, etc. The first topic in Dinacharya is Brahma Muhurta. Brahma Muhurta is nothing but at what time we have to get up in the morning. The word Brahma Muhurta contains two words, Brahma and Muhurta. The Brahma is nothing but knowledge and the Muhurta is nothing but 48 minutes. The Brahma Muhurta starts 96 minutes before to the sunrise and it ends 48 minutes before to the sunrise. Do you know how to calculate the Brahma Muhurta? For example, if sun rises at 6 am in the morning, the Brahma Muhurta starts at 4:24 am. Second topic in Dinacharya is Achamana. Achamana is nothing but sipping of water. Nowadays, only the Brahmins are used to practice this Achamana. For practicing Achamana, some rules and regulations are explained here. The person practicing Achamana should sit facing towards the north or eastern direction and the person should be in erect position. The water should be taken up to the thumb and should be pure and the place for the Achamana should be lonely without disturbance or noise and should be practiced with full concentration without speaking and wearing a cloth over the shoulders. Our next Dinacharya is Dantadavana. Dantadavana is nothing but brushing of teeth. And in Dantadavana, we are going to deal with time and technique of Dantadavana and drugs used in Dantadavana, benefits and contraindications for Dantadavana. Time and technique of Dantadavana. Dantadavana should be done twice in a day, once in the morning and again in the night after intake of the food. Should brush in the vertical direction from the bottom to top, not in the horizontal direction, and the brush properly without injuring the gums. Next, what are the drugs to be used for the Dantadavana? Based on the rasa, Nimba is best among the bitter ones, and Kadira is the best among the astringent drugs, and Madhuka is best among the sweet drugs, and Karanja is best among the pungent drugs. The drugs which are used for the Dantadavana should be grown in the good lands, and every day new twigs should be used. In the absence of twigs, the churnas of Triphala, Trikatu, and Trijataka are used. I think you already by hearted the drugs come under this Triphala, Trikatu, and Trijataka. If not, you can buy it from here. Triphala includes Vibhitaki, Amalaki, and Haritaki. Trikatu includes Pippali, Maricha, and Shunti. Trijataka includes Twak, Ela, and Patra. Twigs used for the Dantadavana should have length of 12 angulas and thickness of little finger and it should be divided of branches. Benefits of Dantadavana. Dantadavana brings freshness in the mouth and it removes bad odor and yellowish coating from the mouth and it elevates the kapha, produces cleanliness in the mouth and increases the desire for the food. Contraindications for Dantadavana. That means when we have to avoid the Dantadavana. Indigestion, mouth ulceration, facial paralysis, vomiting, fever, cough and difficulty in breathing. In these cases, we have to avoid Dantadavana. Next topic is Jivha Nirlekana, which means cleaning of tongue. The tongue cleaning should be done with the instrument called tongue cleaner. It is made up of gold, silver or iron, etc. Benefits of Jivha Nirlekana, which removes the bad taste and odor from the mouth and cures the edema and stiffness of the tongue. Next topic is Gandusha. Gandusha is nothing but gargling. The mouth is completely filled with Gandusha Dravya and kept without movement is called Gandusha. Types of Gandusha. Our Acharyas Vagbata and Susruta mentioned about types of Gandusha. According to the Vagbata, Snigdha Gandusha is indicated in case of Vata and Samana Gandusha is indicated in case of Pitta. Ropana Gandusha is indicated in case of Vrana and Shodhana Gandusha is indicated in case of Kapha. According to the Susruta, Snigdha Gandusha is indicated in case of Vata and Prasadana Gandusha is indicated in case of Pitta and Ropana Gandusha is in case of Vrana and Shodhi Gandusha is indicated in case of Kapha. Liquids used in Gandusha. In case of Snigdha Gandusha, the drugs of sweet, sour and salt taste are used to pacify the vata. And in case of prasadana gandusha, the drugs of sweet, bitter and cold are used to specify the pitta. And in case of ropana gandusha, the bitter and sweet astringent drugs are used to heal the rana. And in case of shodhana gandusha, the drugs of hot and dry property are used to expel the kapha. Gandusha with oil or meat soup should be done daily to maintain the good health. Effect of Gandusha. When we give the Gandusha properly, it going to alleviate the disease and nourishes the mandibles as well as muscles of the face, and it clarifies the mouth. When we administer the improper Gandusha, it increases the kapha again and again, and it produces the improper taste in the mouth of a patient. When we administered excessive Gandusha, it going to cause mouth ulceration, excessive thirst and tastelessness. Next dinacharya is Kavala. The material used to move easily in the mouth is Kavala. According to the Susruta, Kavala is of 5 types. Snehika Kavala is indicated in case of Vata, Prasadi Kavala in case of Pitta, Shodhana Kavala in case of Kapha, and Ropana Kavala in case of Rana. Difference between the Kavala and Gandusha. In case of Kavala, less fluid is taken in the mouth and the movement should be done during Kavala. But in case of Gandusha, the more fluid is taken in the mouth as compared to the Kavala, and it should be held without movement for some time. Benefits of Kavala as well as Gandusha. They strengthen the mandible and increase the resonance of voice and increase the taste perception of a person and prevents the drainage of the throat and cracking of the lips. So friends, this is about Dinacharya part 1. The remaining lesson is going to read in the next classes. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more updates. And thank you for watching.